Our guys have to do like 50 hours each year with GAF and Certainty, two of the roofing groups, to make sure that they're putting in their materials properly. So that's 100 hours to doing on training on that. The siding group, I think, has to do like 30 hours each year, just remembering and seeing, hey, here's the new way we're doing it. Little things like we're using 4 nails instead of 6 nails, or we're using tacks instead of staples. These are all minor things that change that for most people you wouldn't notice. But yeah, like they've switched over where now you have to use tacks for installing GAF and Certainteed underlayment, just because if you're walking on the material with the staples, it can tear, and therefore it voids the warranty. So you'll still see people using staples, but you're probably not getting the warranty at that point. And you have that option. You can say, well, I don't care about the warranty anyway, and so this way the cost up front is going to be a little less, but that's going to be your differences. It's people running around.
Just to clarify, I know a little bit about the roofing part. The GAF, if the guys, your company is GAF certified roofers,
Yeah.
they could take a 20-year shingle and it automatically bumps up to a 50-year.
Correct. Yeah.
So you can buy a 15-year shingle and it'll bump up to a 50-year warranty just by having a GAF certified.
Because the installers know exactly how they.
Yeah.
Correct. So,
Yeah, the shingle doesn't change. It's the quality of the people installing it is what they measure those warranties off of.
Warranty's very misleading, though, isn't it?